Consuela, does this rag smell like chloroform?
No, no.
Pour 400 milliliters of sodium hypochlorite into the Erlenmeyer flask and place it on the stirrer. Pour 14 milliliters of acetone into the Erlenmeyer flask, then turn on the mixer and set it to low speed.
Those celestial messengers reminding us that even the smallest rock can have a hand at sculpting worlds. Asteroid.
After a few minutes, the chloroform will collect at the bottom of the container. Then, using a separating funnel, we collect the trichloromethane from the bottom of the container.